guys, welcome back to the Hana Casey Fun channel. Hi guys, my name is Ahana. If you don't know who I am, and my kid, and I do many fun videos for all. And yes, so today I wanted to show you guys what I created in my house. So what happened is like my father told me like do something creative. My mother was like do drawings and all because I'm a very good artist and I'll show you guys my drawings in a minute, but I'll show you guys in the last my drawings. But they said do something, and I'm going like alone without my mother and father tomorrow to Bangalore. So I wanted to just like give them some things and draw something for them, show them what they are, and then father said that do something creative, like craft and drawing and something moving. So it's like, okay, I'll try to do it. And then I built these paper doll houses. It looks very simple from the outside, but it's actually very creative from the inside. So let's start the video. Okay guys, so this is my paper doll house. It looks very simple, but let's just show it to all of you. So when you open this, you get this character. So you like pull out this character. It has this tape on the behind it, and then you just take this off, put it over here, and start the game. So when you open this fully, you get this whole set of house. So I'm just gonna show you this character. You can make this character at your home at such a small time. I put a timer and I made it in like 27 seconds. So easy. So first the character sleeps on its bed. It's like, oh, it's the morning. Oh, I need to get ready, but it's Saturday, so I don't really need to go to school. Oh, it's already 8 o'clock. 8:30 in the morning. I need to get ready. It goes on the carpet. Okay, now I need to go to the restroom. Uses the bathtub, washes his hands, goes to the restroom and washes his hand again with soap this time. Now, let's go downstairs to the hall. Ah, it's such a pretty day. I really like these pictures. Looks at the pictures and then sits on the couch. Oh, the couch is so cozy, especially when there are these red colored pillows. Okay, where's my remote? This is the remote. Clicks on the remote and says, oh, I need to watch the TV now. And you click on the remote. Oh wow, this is a bird contribute. It shows all the birds and species. This is called the Discovery Kids. Oh my god, it's amazing. Puts its feet on the carpet. Ah, this carpet is so warm. Okay, I'm getting really hungry. It's been a long time. I only had dinner so far. Let me go to dinner now. Goes in the kitchen, looks in the cupboard, looks in the fridge. Let's cook some food. La 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 la. Cook some food. Get some ketchup from these cupboards. And goes back to the hall. And starts TV again. The food was nice. I need to go back to sleep. I need to take a nap. I'm tired of cooking that food. Goes on its carpet, washes his hands because they're dirty after eating, goes again to the carpet and goes back to sleep. Now let's show that upgraded one which I did. Okay, so it's very easy to like fold this up too when you're done playing. So first you fold it up like this and this, and there is the character. Take that tape again, put it. Oh no, the grass is on there. Okay, let's put this on the back side, and you can even use double-sided tape. It's actually your choice, and if you want you can even put like a tiny drop of Fevicol, because if you put too much Fevicol it will be like and you cannot get it out, and when you want to get it out with too much Fevicol, it will like the paper will come off, your drawing will be ruined, of course. So you don't want to do, the best option is double-sided tape, or like tape folded, just I did this. So let's move on to the upgraded version. So this is the upgraded version, and I'm gonna show you why there are cuts. Yeah. So this one does not have characters. Do you want to guess why? So like, open this. Where are the characters? Where are the characters? Actually, the upgraded one has many characters which you can switch. So I'm gonna just show you guys the characters. So first, open the handle. You can use any. So which one do you guys want to see? For which letter? Cameraman, vloggy.
J.
J. J, I guess. The cameraman said So the J one, you open it. This is the envelope, and you open it, and it has many characters. So can I use the pink one?
Pink one.
Okay. The cameraman is so funny. You're good at making baby voices. I didn't know that you can make baby voices. Okay. How do I close this? Okay. I guess that's fine. This is the upgraded one. So now let's just show you guys a quick version of it, because I can't talk that much in this one, or else the video will get too long. So first, you take the character and then you put in the bed, and actually you can make some slight cuts with a blade or scissors. Please, if you're a child, take parent supervision. I did it on my own because I was using scissors to do this, but if you can't do it like this with scissors, you need a blade, so you can call your parents and show them like what you have to do, where you have to cut. So yeah, so now let's go back to bed. It turns off the lights and sleeps. Cuckoo! It's the morning. Ah, it's so good. Takes the clock, goes on the carpet, and you can actually add the same details, and you actually need to sketch out with a pencil first, because if you don't, then your whole house will get ruined. So, are you with me, guys? Will you sketch? Will you sketch? Will you sketch? Good. You guys said that you will sketch. That's very good now. And you can erase all the mistakes. So gets out of the bed, goes on the carpet, and now it's bath time. I need to brush my teeth first. Turn off the water. Okay, let's turn on the bathtub. Whoa, such warm bath this is. And if you have like certain problems with the bathtub or any cut, it's fine. You can play with it. Like I have certain problems with everything all the time. So it's splashing in the water, opening the drawer, getting some soap, putting it on the body, and goes to the restroom, washes his hands, and then goes downstairs. Ah, I need to wear my shoes. Where's the slippers? They're actually the perfect size. Wow. And this is a different color couch. Everything is different, so everybody use your imagination, okay? Sits on the couch. Oh, turns on the remote and watches TV, goes cooks food, and that's all. And I'm gonna show you again the characters of each because it might be a little things up. I'm gonna show you guys if you're wondering what's in the rest of the envelope. This is the green one, and this is the blue one, and the pink is the smallest. So put it like this, close, and then you can take out another envelope. You can make as many as envelopes as you want. I wanted to make 2, and I'm gonna make 1. So these are the super tiny ones. So this is the orange one. Orange one is so cute. This is the pink and green one. It's kind of cheeky, that's why it looks a little cheeky. And then this is the purple one. My colors were a little too bright for this, so the eyes are kind of not seen, but it's fine. And then you can put it like on each other, and you can just play with it. So if you want a tutorial how to make this, please subscribe and give us 2,000 likes and subscribe. Bye everyone. Hope you guys have a nice day. Remember, I remember my promise. I need to show you guys my drawings. Okay, cut the video and I will get the drawings. I'll be right back. So this is my sketch where my mom signs every day. This is my first drawing. It's a little bad, but then this is my second drawing, which is way better. Third drawing, which is amazing. Fourth drawing, which is a pencil, going to school. And then this is my fifth, which is a cucumber. Not a cucumber, bell pepper, sorry. It's a bell pepper. I don't really remember the name. And I'm still working on this mermaid. And these sketches, guys, can you just focus on there, if it's possible? And you guys can make these type of drawings at home, simply just without tutorials. I do a professional class, but it's fine. You can do anything what you want at home. It's like your personality. If you don't want to do drawing, you can do crafts like me. If you don't want to do crafts like me, you can do dancing, football, basketball. And actually I was selected in a football team when I was 4. So you can do football anytime. And basketball, I love basketball, so you can do anything you want. So to 20,000 subscribers again. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye.